Hi guys, so about 2 months ago my mom visited my home and she made some goat meat pepper soup, and 2 months later my husband is still talking about that same meal, and so I decided to replicate my mom's recipe, but this time not with pepper soup, not with goat meat because I am not a fan of that. So I had to do with cow leg. And for this recipe, first off, I had to wash the cow leg, wash it thoroughly, and then I started the cooking process in my rice boiler because the rice boiler kind of cooks tough things faster. And so I put it there for about 30 minutes before I transferred it into my pot for the cooking to begin. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using these seasonings you find here. It's actually a task for me to name everything. That's why the camera is so close, so you can see everything by yourself. Djangsa, Pebe, country onion, maybe white pepper, black pepper. I really don't know the names of everything. But then I tried to bring the camera so close so we can all see. And then I pop everything into the blender. I'm going to blend it into a very smooth paste. And while at it, I'll check to see if the meat that I put in the rice boiler is cooking up well. And the blender is still blends everything into a very smooth paste. And at this point, I transfer the cow leg into my pot because I do not want to cook it in the rice boiler. It doesn't give me full control, so I'm going to take it out of the rice boiler into the pot. And I don't think that my recipe is actually the same like my mom's, or it's actually going to be the same as my mom's, but I'm just gonna give it a try. This is me trying to replicate her cooking. So I'm transferring my meat once again, and then I'll begin to season it one more time with salt, pepper soup seasoning. That's actually a combo of so many things. We just buy it here. And I'm going to go in with my seasoning cube, bay leaves, and I would have to place the pot on the gas. And this is supposed to be cooking on very high heat. Oh, not forgetting this part. What is pepper soup without the soup? So we have to go in with a good amount of water. And then this is it. It has been cooking for about 20 minutes. And then we are going to add the seasoning, what we blended into a paste. But I usually don't go in with the paste at once. I actually go in with paste gradually. So about 2 to 3 times I go in with my blended seasonings. So this is the second time I'm going in with the seasoning, and I'm just going to put everything into the pot. I'm gonna put everything. Okay. I'm gonna allow this mixture to cook for relatively how much time I'll need for everything to come together. Let's say another 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. And everything is actually already coming together. We actually just need the seasoning to soak into the meat as much as possible. So we're going to cover this up again and allow this to cook. And at this point, after about 25 minutes, at this point I garnish my pepper soup. I do this a lot. And for this I just went in with green onions and vegetable oil. This is me not trying to do a lot. So that's just all what I put in as the garnishing, and this is our pepper soup. Everything has come together, and here we go. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.